Hi, my name is Brian, and today I'm going to show you how to make a right and left sidebar in an already used template in Dreamweaver. So you might want to add sidebars to your website so you can delineate or separate the information from the main content portion of the page. So in order to do that in Dreamweaver, I'm going to open up a file that I've already created. This file has 4 divs in it. There is one large div that is containing my 3 columns. I'm going to make column 1 a left column. I'm going to make column 3 a right column, and I'm going to make column 2 the center column. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to create some CSS styles so that I can set these columns to left and right. In order to do that, I'm going to go into my CSS styles panel, and I'm going to click on this Add button on the bottom right-hand corner to add a new CSS rule. I'm going to name the first one Left. I'm going to hit OK. And under the box selection, I'm going to go into Float and make the float left. I'm going to hit Apply and then OK. And that adds my left float property, which I can use later on. Now I'm going to add a second one to make a right float property. I'm going to name it Right. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm naming mine Right. I'm going to hit OK, go into the box, hit Float and Right, Apply. Okay, so now I have 2 CSS rules created. Now all I have to do is apply these rules to the columns. So I'm going to highlight the first div in its entirety. And I'm going to right-click on it and go to CSS Styles and assign it Left. I'm going to do the same thing to my second column. And then my third column, I am going to assign Right. So there you go. Now I have my 3 columns set up, one left and one right, and already used template in Dreamweaver.